everyone, I hope you're all doing well, and today I am extra excited with an extra boost because today I am making a delicious food. It's everyone's favorite paneer curry, and it is Matar Paneer. So look at it. I don't know anyone who doesn't like it. And Matar Paneer, it goes with many types of bread. It goes with paratha, it goes with naan, roti, puri, and even rice. I'm so excited. And before I go to my kitchen to make it, I wanted to request you to please like and share my videos and subscribe to my channel, and make sure to turn on notifications so you never miss a post. And now let's go to my kitchen to make it! Here are my ingredients. So here I have 400 grams of paneer. I've chopped them into parallelograms, but you can chop them into any of your desired shape. Most people like cubes. And 200 grams of green peas. I've taken frozen ones, but if you prefer fresh ones, then you can take fresh ones. And here I have 2 big onions, roughly chopped. And here I have 7 to 8 cloves of garlic, which I have chopped roughly. And here I have 1 inch of ginger, chopped roughly. And here I have 5 green chilies, and you can take more or less, it depends on your taste. I've broken the green chilies into 2 pieces. And here I have 5 medium-sized tomatoes chopped roughly. And here I have 3 tablespoons of broken cashews. And here I have 1 tablespoon of oil. And here I have 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. And here I have 6 to 7 cloves. And here I have 2 black cardamom. Here I have 6 green cardamom. And here I have 1 inch of cinnamon, which I have broken into 2 pieces. And here I have 1 star anise. And I have 1 teaspoon of dry fenugreek leaves or kasuri methi. And here I have salt as per taste. And here I have 50 grams of butter and 1 tablespoon of garam masala, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, and half teaspoon of red chili powder. And here I have 3 tablespoons of cream and 1 cup of water. We may need less or more. Now I'm going to start, and here I've taken a pan. I'm going to turn on the heat and put in the 1 tablespoon of oil. Now we're going to wait till the oil turns hot. The oil's hot, and now I'm going to add the cumin seeds and all the other spices.
Whole spices, right?
Yes, the whole spices. Cumin seeds have crackled, and my other spices are sauteed. And now I'm going to put in the garlic, ginger, and green chilies. And now we're going to saute it. Saute for 20 seconds. Okay, now I'm going to add the onions. Now keep adding the onions till they turn transparent. The onions are sauteed, and now I'm going to add the tomatoes. Oh, okay, and the salt. And now I'm going to mix it nicely, and then I'll cover and cook until the tomatoes turn mushy. 7 to 8 minutes have passed, and it looks like my tomatoes are mushy. So now I'm going to add the red chili powder, turmeric powder, and the coriander powder, and the dry fenugreek leaves. And you can also add the dry fenugreek leaves later, but I like adding them now. I'll mix well and stop for 1 minute. So now I'm going to add the cashews, and then I'm going to mix it well. And now I'm going to turn off the stove, and then we'll let it cool. While this mixture is getting cooled, I wanted to tell you that you can boil your green peas if they're fresh green peas. I used frozen ones, so I didn't have to boil. So you can boil your fresh green peas by this time. Mixture is cooled completely, and now I'm going to blend it. So I'm going to transfer it to my blender jar. I've transferred the mixture into my blender jar, and now I'm going to blend it. I've blended it into a smooth paste. Now it's time to make the gravy. In the same pan to make the gravy, because as I'm moving to New Jersey soon, I packed most of my kitchen utensils. So let's start. First I'm going to on the stove and put the butter, and then wait till the butter melts. Butter is melted, and now I'm going to add my paste. There's still some paste stuck in there, so I'm going to put some water. That's good. Close it and then shake.
Done.
Okay. Open. Okay, there.
Some more easy step to the cap. You can do again the same process and put some more water in.
Okay. Oh, ow.
Whole complete water. Yes. Too fast so that it should take all the from the, yes, it's done.
Okay. Oh,
Yes, now done. Mix with.
mix, 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 mix. Okay. Now I'm going to put the garam masala. Now we'll mix it well. I have mixed my garam masala well, and if you didn't add enough salt when we were mixing the onions and tomatoes, then you can add more salt now. Cover it a little because it's splattering. Now I'll stop for this like 2 minutes. I have been sauteing the masala for 2 minutes and it's leaving the pan, so it's ready. And now I'm going to add the green peas.
Gravy is too thick, so you can add water.
Yes, I'm going to add water because it's too thick.
This is extra water because we took the water that is already on. Now you can mix it well. You can lift now; it will not splatter.
Okay. Oh, turned out that it actually is still splattering, so I covered it a little, and I'm going to keep sauteing it, and we'll let it boil nicely.
You are waiting for it to boil.
Yes, I'm waiting. Oh,
So, do you feel that you need a little more water to add, or it's okay?
I think this is
Good?
okay. Yeah, I think it's good.
It depends on your personal choice. Some people like more like thin gravy, and some people like that thicker. So if you like thick gravy, then it's good. If you like more like a little running gravy,
Then you can add more water.
Yes, and let it boil.
So my brother, he just told me that he wants thin gravy and watery gravy, so I'm going to add more water. And then I'll let it boil nicely. It's been boiling from about 3 minutes, and now I'm going to turn off the heat, and then I'm going to add the cream. And now I'll mix. I have it mixed the cream well, and now I'm going to put the paneer. And now mix the paneer well with the gravy. Mix the paneer well, and now I'm going to take this out, and we'll cover it and leave it for 5 to 10 minutes so that the paneer can absorb the gravy. So you saw me turn off the stove and then I added the paneer. I did that because the gravy was already hot, and if we cook the paneer for a long time, then it will get rubbery, and we don't want that. Some people also like to fry the paneer. So yeah, you can fry the paneer before you put in the gravy, but we didn't want to fry it, so we didn't. 10 minutes have passed, and the paneer has settled in with the gravy. So now I'm going to transfer it to a serving bowl. I have transferred my Matar Paneer into the bowl, and now I'm going to garnish with some coriander leaves. you can see how tempting and beautiful the Matar Paneer is. It just looks so delicious, and it's an all-time favorite of my family's. And you can serve Matar Paneer with many things like parathas or naan, which is what I'm going to eat it with. And you can also serve it with puri. And even you can serve it with rice. So make sure to try this recipe at home and to make it for your family and everybody that lives in your house. And if you like this video, make sure to like and share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a post. And now, see you next time. Goodbye.